Sin. For inside school too, many things they happen, many things never. Aye. You go laugh, you go tire, you go be like say na jazz. We know they too for time. Aye. We get the principal way today like to discipline.
Jesus!
Now, wow. Eh? This house girl that is in my house, very beautiful, very sweet and young blood. Eh? How can this girl be in my house, eating my food, drinking my water, enjoying fun at night with AC, and even this thing, one round, she cannot give somebody, I cannot do. What's that? Today, I must collect.
Well, there's an opportunity come for but once. Now, so when we saw them.
Oh, good afternoon. You are washing clothes?
Yes.
Okay. I don't talk this girl today, call me bastard. So that I've not seen my wife today. Baby! Baby! God, you are nice. You are wonderful. Obutu! Obutu! How are you? I came back this morning and I've not seen my wife. Have you seen my wife? You have not seen madam?
I've not seen madam. Is it when you sent me to go and play that your lotto?
Oh, okay. Maybe she went out that time.
Yeah,
All right. You have not seen her? All right, no problem. Continue with your work.
This man!
Baby! My love! Come, let's go and buy you here. It's not later now. You say I did not call you. She's not around. My wife cannot hear you here. I keep quiet. She's not around.
I'm not to hear word. I'm not to hear word. I get coconut head.
Thank you. I can tell you, you have electric shock. You have electric shock. I don't understand. Meaning what? I should stop what? What is the meaning of all this now? Eh? Are you not an adult? Every time you be doing as if you're a child. You have been living in my house for how many months now? You eat my food. You drink in this house. I take good care of you. Give you good room. You sleep with AC. Somebody want to touch you. You'll be doing anyhow. Are you stupid? What's the meaning of that rubbish? See, you have to decide. Either you will do it today. Even if it's one round, I'm okay. Either you will do it today, or you pack your things and leave my house.
Just one. I don't want to go back to the village.
You don't want to go back to the village?
No.
So you will do it? So you will do it? You will do it? I understand. You cannot go back to the village. You are a nice girl. You are very hardworking. You know. If you know you will do it, touch me here. Let me see that. You are a bad child. You are not doing that if you don't know. Don't worry. After today, I will give you money. You will be taking care of yourself. Buy cream, buy soap.
You think say they wise?
That your wife, she will give me, she knows to buy cream for me. She will be telling me I should use granola to see on my body.
She's not giving cream. You see why I hate that woman? That woman is useless.
Mommy, I hate her.
My family want me not to marry her, but I said no. That was there. Well, I am the only son. They don't force me to marry. Now, as if I wanted to.
Okay,
but no problem. Come, let's go.
50,000.
I'll make you 100. I will make you 100. As long as you're a good. As long as.
Call her me.
Honey.
Mugbe handicap.
Madam. Okay.
All the thieves. It's only the Zani that is now a thief.
See, it's store we'll use because I don't want us to use room now. Yes. Madam will not come back. You understand? So, is it here I will remove my trouser? Or let us remove it when we are inside? Since you know my weak point now, it's not the tell you there. Let me see. Hi, I like your body, very soft. Not that my useless life. Oh, her body strong like Oporoko. Just now, baby, come, let's go. But I don't want to hear I'm tired. He's playing him. I don't want.
Let's go first.
I'm warning you now. Let's go inside.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Baby. My love. Do you know that this girl, she does not know God?
You don't know. You don't know why it's going on.
Do you know that this girl, ordinary catechism, that primary school children know? She does not know.
I cannot do well.
Hmm?
I cannot do well.
No, baby, all those things. It was, if you see what pastors used to preach on the road,
I heard it.
eh?
I heard everything you people said.
Huh?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I heard everything.
You don't know. You don't know why it's going on.
So you, if she do you well, do you very well, you will not chase me away.
No, is that,
It is very shameful for you to accept that.